Hi, I'm Craig, and welcome back to another on-the-road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Today, we will take a look at this Amana freestanding gas range. We will show you how to remove and replace your temperature sensor. To begin your repair, we must first access the back of the unit. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the gas. The tools you will need for this repair are a number 2 Phillips screwdriver and a voltmeter. Now that we are at the back of the unit, we must first remove this bottom back panel. There are multiple number 2 Phillips screws around the perimeter that must be taken off. I do recommend saving the ones at the top for last. This will prevent it from sliding. Make sure you hold on to the panel when removing your last screw. At this point, slide out from the bottom, pull down, and set aside. Now that we have the back panel removed, we have clear access to our temperature sensor assembly. Now the main reasons why you'd be replacing a temperature sensor is if you put it on the preheat and it automatically says it is preheated. One thing we'd look for if that is your symptom is see if you do have a broken wire. You may be trying to preheat your oven and set it at 350. It says that it's done, but you notice that it's only at 300 degrees or something smaller, or maybe it's going up higher. These are all very common symptoms of a bad temperature sensor. Now to test out your sensor, we will unplug the Molex, use your meter, set your meter to ohms. You will slide your meter leads in the back of the temperature sensor Molex. That way you can get a good read. Now a typical temperature sensor at room temperature should read around 1080 ohms. And this one read at 1084, so it's actually testing out good. But if you are reading anything different, and once again this is at room temperature, you will more than likely have to replace it. Now to remove your temperature sensor, there is one Phillips screw that is holding it on. Simply remove, slide out, and set aside. When installing your new temperature sensor, first put your screw in the larger slotted spot of the temperature sensor to hold it into place. Slide in your temp sensor, reinstall your Phillips screw, and this goes to the top left portion. Reinstall your Molex connector. Now we can reinstall the bottom plate. When reinstalling your bottom panel, make sure that your top lips go over the top of the top portion. Slide it into place. Reinstall your first screw. Hold on to the panel. Reinstall your second top screw. Reinstall the others around the perimeter. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.